Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Modic from Robinhood to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your Modic tokens for better trading opportunities or portfolio management, you're in the right place. This process is simpler than it sounds, but always remember to prioritize security in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. First things first, let's get started with the basics. Make sure you have a Robinhood account with Modic tokens in your wallet. Log in, head to your portfolio, and verify your Modic balance. In 2025, Robinhood might have updated interfaces, so look for the Withdraw or Transfer option under your assets. Next, choose the right network. Modic, also known as Polygon, typically uses the Ethereum or Polygon network, so select that when initiating the transfer to avoid any fees or errors. Now, if you haven't already, set up an account on XMO. It's free and quick. Just download the app or visit their website, complete the verification, and add your wallet. Once you're logged into XMO, navigate to the deposit section and select Modic. You'll get a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully. Back on Robinhood, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything, and confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion, and there could be small fees involved. Pro tip: always use a secure connection, enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Modic from Robinhood to XMO in 2025. By following these steps, you'll be managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.